Hi guys, welcome back to Flora's 365 Days. You know where we are now? We are with Glenn Rebello.
Yeah.
He can also be called as Drone Man of Udupi or Drone Man of Mangalore. He's doing wonders, At this young age, he has made many drones and he is owning a brand in his name, guys. This is Quadex Drones. He has just completed his schoolings and within a year he has started his own brand. It really motivated me like anything. So we just came to make another video. I was really impressed by his works and I started this interview with him so that it would help someone at the other end who is watching here. So, hi Glenn. How are you?
I'm doing well. How about you?
Yeah, fine. So, I really want to know what drove you to making drones?
So exactly speaking about this, so I had this fascination, from the very beginning when I was a kid. So anything that flies just fascinates me. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So
Helicopters, planes, whatever that flies, just fascinates me. And at the young age, I had this dream of becoming a pilot, but at the later stage, I got to know, it's not as easy financially, and
so
when it comes
you
to
started riding now these drones like a pilot.
Yeah. So it means, my objective in life was to fly. Okay.
Okay.
And then at the later stage, when I got to 10th, I got to know, it's not feasible for a middle class guy to get into, piloting, paying the fees and stuff. It wasn't feasible.
Okay.
So and around that corner, all in the weddings and all, there used to be drones. Okay. All the Catholic weddings, there are drones and all pretty popular. And then I thought, I just thought, why cannot I get into this? Okay. And then I started looking around on the internet, a lot of videos and, finding people of similar interest, and I got into this.
Really cool.
So, yeah, so I'm building drones for the past 4 years now. Since then, it's my
So
it's my
4
hand.
years.
Yeah.
Then you started at which age of
I
your-
started like somewhere around eighth to ninth.
Oh
Okay.
my God.
It was like it wasn't a business back then.
Okay.
Back then it was just
a
a hobby.
fascination,
Yeah.
like a
Flying
pilot.
planes,
Okay.
flying RC helicopters and all. It was all just a hobby.
As a kid, you started playing
Yeah,
with remote
correct.
cars, then now with drones.
Now with drones.
Yeah, it's really great. So, what do you tell to the young people who wanted to come into this area of developing drone or designing
Okay,
a drone?
so-
If they don't have money,
Okay.
money is a major factor. They have the fascination, but some of them they cannot graduate. But still, they wanted to pursue their passion like you.
Okay.
So, for them, what do you want to tell?
See, money is a huge factor when coming into this hobby. So there are two ways you can actually take this hobby as, okay, or take this drone field as. One, you can take it as a hobby, like what I have done. Okay, I just fly around and stuff. And there is second side of this hobby, which is more into advancing. Okay, you're more focused on innovation, trying on, finding out new things that a drone can do. Okay, drone can do much more than just flying and taking videos. It can. There are n number of uses. Now, if you go towards Andhra and like more of a Tamil Nadu side also, you'll find drones spraying the agricultural fields. Okay.
That's really great.
Yeah,
I was
so-
thinking, I didn't think of that. My
Yeah.
thought was only photographs, only videographs. Now
No,
your
drones-
thing has
yeah.
been really.
Drones
giving a
are much
great
more than
viewpoint.
photo and video.
Yeah.
And if at all someone wants to get into that side, so if you want to get into hobby, let me just tell this really straight. This is a very expensive hobby,
Okay.
and having a lot of funds is a factor here. But then if you want to get into the other end, which is on the innovation end,
Okay.
there are a lot of companies which are funding.
Okay.
Okay, suppose you have great knowledge of electronics, suppose you have good knowledge of aeronautics and stuff, and you wanna innovate something in the field of drones, then you can. There are a lot of companies.
So whether you have tried venture capitalist.
No, I haven't.
No.
No.
Then with all the investment, where did you drive the money from?
See, it's all scholarships and support from the family that I got.
Really, really
And then
great.
apart from that, I do commercial shoots.
Shoots.
Yeah.
That is another income.
Yeah, that's-
With
that's the
that you
source
made
of
an
income,
investment
yes.
And you have started this. This
Yes.
is his brand name, guys. At the age of
18.
18, you see how wonderful he is. You have to be motivated like him, really. He's such an inspiration,
Inspiration.
for all these young lads here. Please do follow him in Insta. Wants to get contact of him and you wanted to know how to fly this. He's having a
You just come down. Yeah.
training also.
Yeah, it's not a paid training. You can just come down anytime you guys want. I'll teach you up how to build. Also, I can teach you. No problem. You can just come down anytime. You can just come down to Udupi anytime. Just give me a call before coming down. So my number might be mentioned on the description, and also you can just follow me on Instagram. It's @short_by_Glenn R. Okay.
Nice. Follow it, guys. Follow it. What are your future plans?
So right now I'm pursuing my engineering. So probably the drones will be there. Okay. But alongside, probably I'll get into a 9 to 5, make some money first, and then earn some.
Why you want to get into a 9 to 5 job?
Yeah, I'll tell you why. See, no, it's not a lot.
Big thing, man.
See, that's what. Like if I want to innovate anything in this field, I need funds, and I cannot.
Go for venture capitalist, or you can.
But then there is a risk involved also there, because
bank is supporting all these things, no?
You're taking a loan, and what if the business fails? What if my idea fails? There's a risk there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get into 9 to 5, earn sufficient money required for my business, get into this. Okay, even if I lose money there, it's my money which I'll be losing. So I have nothing to put at stake.
Okay,
that is the other part of.
You don't want to.
Correct. It's not that. If I would have been a filthy rich guy, I wouldn't have my mind, putting my parents' money at stake. But it's not the case with me. So I'll make my own money. I'll invest it. If there's a possibility that I might multiply that money.
Don't think in the negative way. Think it in a positive way.
But then I don't think it's a wise idea. Okay. That's what people do. People think just one side of it. They don't see the other part. Okay. What if the first side that you look into, what if that doesn't work? You need to be ready for the second part also. No,
if A doesn't work, then B.
If the plan B doesn't work, you need to have a plan B. And in my case, I don't have a plan B. So I just don't want to take a lot of risk, in the plan A. I just want to plan properly and then go then go and execute it.
Really great. Then so far, how many drones you have made and you have sold?
Probably 30-35.
30-35.
In 2 years, yeah.
Nice. Each drone cost around 45 to 3 lakhs, right?
Yeah, it depends on the
So how many days you will take to make a drone?
Once the parts are here, I get the parts from somewhere else. I get it directly from China. So
when the product arrives, you can build it.
Yeah, it'll take me like 3-4 hours to build a drone.
3 to 4 hours?
Yeah.
I thought it will be a week.
No,
you are telling 3 to 4 hours. Really great, man. You have to make it as a big thing. It's not a simple thing. You have a great talent, really.
Thank you.
Okay, pursue your dreams.
Sure.
I wish you all the success. Let your dreams come true. I wish you will fly somewhere. You will be a pilot also someday.
Thank you.
You can train for that also.
Yes.
There will be provision. Now Google and everything has come. Like you don't need a graduation to join us like that. So someday there will be an opportunity.
Probably. Yeah.
Okay. Don't worry for it. You will surely get into it.
Thank you.
All the best.
Thank you very much.
Nice meeting you. So guys, hear from him.
Like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to Flora's 365 days.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Gail.